Hey guys, are you looking for simple solutions during this crazy time and you cannot find Clorox disinfectant wipes? I am going to show you how to make them for just pennies. Hi guys, it's June. Welcome back to my channel. Clorox wipes are sold out. So here's a simple solution that is just going to make your day mind-blowing. All you need is a little bleach, paper towels, and a container. Okay, so first thing you need, I made this solution with water and just a tablespoon of bleach. You need paper towels, you need a container to put your paper towels in, a cutting board, and of course a knife. Now you're going to measure up where you should cut your paper towels. So now I'm going to cut my paper towels to that length. And now I put it in the container, and what I'm going to do is I am going to take my water bleach solution and I'm going to pour it over just like so. This would work better if you had a bigger container so you get bigger wipes, but I didn't have that. So I'm pouring it all over, and next we're going to cover it, let it soak for a little bit, and then we come back. I'm going to take the insert out, the cardboard, and there you go. We have wipes. Pull them out. And let's get started with disinfecting. So you can do your faucets. You can do the toilet bowl handle. Well, you should. Knobs. Well, for me, I do the washer and dryer knobs. Refrigerator handles, remote. We always touch the remote. Light switches, you don't realize how much we touch the end. Really? Keyboards. Most importantly, our phones. The phones get so gross, you guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. And again, if you want to check out my hand sanitizing video, go check out that link right here, and it will also be in the description box down below. I hope you guys stay safe. I love you, and see you in my next video. Bye.